here to ask questions. I have a few questions myself. Um, Umang sir, uh,
पहले मेरे को
you've made Mary come and now
one sec.
We're all interrupting.
She wants to say
We're all
something.
Yes,
interrupting
please.
each
Yes,
other.
please.
But I think before we even start conducting today's proceedings, I'm sorry, it occurred to me. It wasn't premeditated. It's something we as a team genuinely, emotionally feel, believe. And I think before we start, let's just, as a mark of respect, maintain a minute of silence for Sarabjit himself. Because 3 years ago, I think we were also busy in our lives. It probably was something we as Indians read in the papers, but continued with our lives as was. So let's maintain a minute of silence for him, for Kirpal Singh Ji this week, whose sad demise has been reported, and for a cast member of our movie who essays the role of Darji, who passed away.
Ram Murthy Sharma.
Ram Murthy Sharma. He played the role of our father, and he passed away a couple of weeks ago. So please join us in paying our respects. Thank you. Please
Thank you.
continue.
Thank you. So, Umang sir, Mary Kom and now there's Sarabjit, both of them biopics. Were they specifically designed like that, or?
No, I mean, I've said this before also. It's not specifically designed that if one biopic runs, I'm supposed to make another one. It just so happened that Sandeep came with the idea to me that this is a fantastic subject, please have a look. Once I saw it online, I was so mesmerized by Dalbir Kaur and the story that I said, okay, I have to do this film. And it hit me somewhere, I said, my God, this is a hard-hitting story and a life that people know of, but they don't know the depth of it. And that's why I thought we should make this film.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, the hardest part of playing Sarabjit, because entirely in the movie, it's emotional, it's draining. It must have been really difficult for you to essay the character, but I would like to ask you, how difficult, how challenging was the role of Sarabjit Kaur? I'm sorry, Dalbir Kaur.
To begin with, when Umang came to me with the subject, it was an immediate yes. He's already shared that with you. Because when you hear the story, I mean, I'm sure you all already got the feeling, the vibe of it when you saw the trailer right now. How can we walk away from being a part of telling the story and sharing it with everybody, especially the human story? We are all familiar with the reportage, and thank you all for doing what you do day in and day out. But nevertheless, there are a lot of, as I started out saying today, that we all still individually as Indians continue with our lives. We do get affected, we do get disturbed, but we don't necessarily can possibly experience or take the minute out to experience how just an incident can completely change the dynamic of a family, can change the lives of a family. And it was important to be part of that narrative and to share it with us Indians. Sarabjit's life cannot go, his story cannot go unknown. And Dalbir fought for over 23 years relentlessly. I mean, this kind of sibling love and commitment, the lady's capacity to be Sarabjit for his family, to be Sarabjit's Dalbir Penji for him, to be Darji's spirit and strength to be able to keep the fight on going. is just a commendable, unbelievable spirit. And there, I think adjectives fall short to describe that spirit which exists in so many households of our country and worldwide. So this story needed to be told. And thank you, Umang, for bringing it to me. Thank you, Utkarshini, for writing the way that you have. And thanks to the whole team for us bringing it to life.
Thank you so much. Randeep Hooda, you're a fantastic actor. I mean, what more can I say? It's very difficult to actually, and as actors, you know, you guys do different sort of characters. Weight loss kar liya, weight gain kar liya. I mean, personally, I want to know, how do you lose so much weight and then you do the other things that you do and with such finesse and honesty? How did you do it?
It was easy. I do it every day.
Sure, yeah.
The hard part of the character, of course, weight loss and all that is something we had decided, and it took a lot of willpower to achieve that. But the hardest part of the character was the fact that a lot is known and documented about Dalbir Kaur. Not much is known about him and his prison life. So that, to keep it true and to keep it within the script and keep it as honest as possible, and to go through the suffering he did for 23 years, where out of that 18 years, he was locked up in chains and was in a Kal Kotri. So imagining all that was the harder part. You know, with Umang and as a co-conspirator, it was very easy, and I feel that everybody in the cast has done a fantastic job, and I'm very proud to be a part of this movie. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Randeep. Honey, you've always been known to make entertainers. Sarabjit is a very serious biopic film. Is Pooja Entertainment trying to move in a new direction?
Well, we're always making wholesome family entertainers, and we were waiting to carve a niche for our company. And this is such meaningful cinema, and we wanted that space. So when Umang brought the script to us, and when we went through it, we literally had tears in our eyes. And that's the reason the trailer has left me shocked on the big screen. You know, I am out of words, but that's the reason we all decided to go with this film.
Right. Bhushan ji, kya baat? Like the music that you make, the films now with Airlift 2016 and now Sarabjit, kya baat hai? What have you been eating and doing?
The thing is, people used to know us with musicals, but after Baby, we changed our perception by making Baby and then going on to Airlift, which audience and everybody liked a lot. So, and this Sarabjit is again a very real and true story, and I'm sure everybody will love it and give that kind of respect and love to this film. And we are very proud to work with the entire team of Sarabjit, especially the National Award-winning director, Mr. Umang Kumar, who has given Maricom, and I've seen some visuals of the film, and I can't explain. You have to see to believe it. Thank you.
It's pretty hard hitting. We've seen the trailer and we absolutely believe it. We can't wait for the film to release. But Richa Chadha, sorry, took you by surprise. You are taking us by surprise with every role that you portray. With this film, what were your challenges and what was so interesting about the character?
For me, I read the script. It took me about 2 days. And I understood the weight of my character. Of course, it's supporting these two primary characters. But my deep down belief is that, you know, I feel like politicians have kind of failed to create peace. So it's only up to artists and musicians and writers. And honestly, it sounds very like whatever, preachy, but that's really my core belief, that it's only via films like these that we can possibly reach out and create some kind of this film is about the human side of the human casualty of conflict, whether it's India, Pakistan, or terrorism or whatever, but it's the lives behind the statistics, and that's what really interested me. And of course, the director, the writer who I know, and the incredible cast. I've worked with Randeep before, and I'm sweating because I'm intimidated by him always. but it, but but I'm really proud to be a part of this film.
Very well, sir. Thank you so much, Richa. Coming on to Darshan Kumar, you're looking really hot. Sorry, I had to crack this line. But can I please ask you about your role, about the challenging parts of it? It's an emotional film. It's a serious film. Yes, over to you, sir.
I would like to say thanks to Umang sir and Sandeep sir, Vanita ji for giving me this chance to work in this film. Such a beautiful story. I just love the story. And I got a chance to work with versatile actors like Ash, Randeep, Richa. It was such an amazing journey, I would like to say. And I'm playing Awais Sheikh, a Pakistani lawyer. I think he's a fighter. A common man did an extraordinary thing for humanity. So, जो मैंने role ये पढ़ते, I felt like, wow, this I have to do it. And it was such a nice journey. And I just love the film.
Thank you so much, Darshan Kumar. Thank you. Coming on to Jackie. You guys are the next generation of Pooja Entertainment. And why debut with Sarabjit and no other film?
Good evening, everyone. You know, the story struck a chord with me as soon as I heard it. And I know Umang sir for a long, long time. And even before he made Mary Kom. And I always believed that this man will be one of the biggest directors we'll ever see. Also, this story is about a relationship between brother and sister, and I know for a fact that मैं अपनी बहन के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, और मैं ये confidently कह सकता हूँ कि वो भी मेरे लिए कुछ भी करेगी. I know Ash.
जेल में बंद होना पड़ेगा उसके लिए.
और मैं Ash को जानता हूँ बहुत सालों से, तो वो भी एक था. And Randeep, I'm a big fan of. मैंने 60 किलो कम किए हैं, लेकिन मैंने तो हीरो बनने के लिए किया था. But जो आपने किया है, hats off. Richa, outstanding. Darshan, Bhushan sir, we all know you're a tycoon. So I'm just happy that I'm a small part of this. But I just want to say that there's a man called Sandeep, who's also a big part of this film, Vanita Kumar. This film looks the way it looks because of her, not because of Umang sir. So, these two...
Please call Utkarshni up also. Utkarshni, come on up.
Kiran
You deserve to be here.
And Kiran sir, sorry sir.
Kiran sir, yeah, he's...
Kiran sir has made the frames
And-
come alive.
And
Absolutely.
when you want weight tips, low, please, you can come to me. Thanks.
Thank you.
That's Utkarshni, who's written the script,
She's done a
screenplay,
brilliant
dialogues.
job.
Fabulous.
Huge round of applause for her.
My next question actually was for Sandeep. And I just wanted to ask you the reasons why you thought you should be producing Sarabjit.
I think everybody has spoken about it.
Absolutely.
So
Do
I
you-
just
do-
say
yeah.
it has taken 17 years of my life to be in the industry to produce one film. And when I believed in this subject and I went to Umang, Umang immediately said no, because not of the story, because he did not wanted to direct another biopic. And then when he saw the footages, he said, let's do it. So I'm thankful to Bhushan ji, Vashu ji, Jackie, Deepshika, who came along and believed in us. And this is our first production, and we have produced this. And I was waiting for this day to come, and I could see that after the trailer, with the tears of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in her eyes. And thank you, Randeep. You have really, really worked very hard in this film. Thank you so much, mere bhai. You have given a lot to this film. Richa, thank you for accepting this role. Darshan, thank you. Kiran sir, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Manu. And all my team, and special thanks to my best friend who supported me in this film is Neeraj. He always tells me not to take his name, but I want to really thank you. You have been a great support on this film. And I can't take everybody's name, but I'm thankful to each and every person of my team, whether it's Zafar, Akshay, or art department, or Shail, Pitesh, Rajesh, Jayesh. Everybody has worked. Kush, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Thank you so much. So now, the media, if you've got any questions, please, they're all yours.
Hi Aishwarya ma'am, this is Urvi here from Pinkula.
Hello.
Hi. Ma'am, this role is emotionally demanding and draining. What was the kind of preparation that you went through when you had to do this role?
Actually, this is possibly one of the fastest films we've ever made in our careers. I think that holds true for most of us here. So credit goes to the potential of the subject itself, the director helming it. That's why I keep saying, actually, I'm going to name each member of the team. The producers who have come on board and helped us infuse it with the life that we wanted to. Vanita for creating the ambience where we just naturally felt we are part of this narrative. We are the characters that we are. Shahid Amir for keeping with Umang and all our vision for the way we want to essay the characters and not making it about chalo hum aisi film bana